Hello trader. So let's quickly look at gold as with the market opening. Initially, gold has done exactly as expected. Currently, gold after gathering liquidity again moving towards its long-term uptrending direction. So let's see now where we can find our entry opportunity on gold. First of all, let's quickly look at again bigger picture starting with the daily today. As you have seen early today, the market opened with a gap, and as soon as the market opened we have seen initial drop, and that drop in fact was a pure liquidity grab. Now we saw that the market has come to this previous resistance which is turning support, and from that level there was a huge bounce to the upside. Now with that bounce, currently gold above the daily opening and closing, and what I think that we could see another wave of drop for another retest of this liquidity zone, as this is gap opening and also the daily support level. We can expect another retest and then finally continuation to the upside towards its long-term uptrending direction. Now looking at intraday perspective, we see that this is where there was a drop from that level, has broken this liquidity zone. From this 20 EMA level, we saw that the price tested this resistance exactly as a support, and respecting this dynamic support we saw that gold had a bounce. Now this is the sign that gold may continue to rise to the upside towards its long-term direction. Now looking at this market structure, we see that there was a huge gap opening on gold in that level, and that in fact that gap still has not been filled, as the market left that huge gap unchecked. What I think that after a big rise to this long-term direction to this all-time high, this is where we saw that gold last time came in 2081 level, and I think that we might see a bounce to that level, and after breaking this high we could see that gold again dropping down directly to this level to fill that gap from the lower time frame perspective. Now let's see 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving. You can see that here there was a fake head and shoulder, and with that fake head and shoulder the market has broken down as expected, tested this level, forming series of higher low. You saw that gold had a bounce from this level. Currently this is the 1 hour chart. As you can see, the market still creating series of higher high and higher low every hour. It's bullish price action. Currently the price again in another resistance level. This is the lower time frame resistance, and I think that gold might come down now for a deeper pullback, and that pullback what we can expect it to come back down to this daily liquidity zone. This is the daily support where there is a gap opening. Even if we look at further lower time frame from 30 minutes perspective, we see this local uptrend which is still maintaining series of higher high and higher low. Now this is the previous swing low, and this is where I will be waiting today for gold to drop back below this level, which is below 1974, can give us an entry. And this is where, as soon as we see that gold has dropped that to that level, has given us lower time frame price action for potential confirmation to the upside bias, then we will look for buying opportunity on gold. And if you find value in this analysis, guys, make sure that you leave a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.